The 250 Honda that I just got doesn't have an airbox, so I'm going to try and make one. I have the filter here and the hose that goes onto the filter through the box. Then I have another of the rubber hoses that come off of a different quad, so I cut that off. I'm going to use this piece of plastic plumbing tube, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sewage tube, I'm going to drill holes from the top to let air in. I'm going to seal the back with this. I'm going to take that outer ring off, it's just a cap, and then on the other end I'm going to use this with an adapter that will fit inside it and narrow it down to this size. So in the end, this is going to go through this and this, and this will be sitting in this. This will connect into this. This will be bolted into this, and this will be the end cap. So let's see if this works. It's going to be an adventure. So I put a bolt through, I drilled through and put a bolt through, and it's holding these two pieces together. Then the hole that was in that anchor bracket at the end of the air filter is sitting on this bolt as well. And I put in about an inch thick of old cushion foam that come out of a camper, cushion on a camper, and cut it in little pieces and put that in the back so that it will sit tight and not move around, so that I'd be able to put this bolt through the hole and it won't come off. Now I need to shorten this, so I'm going to cut this hose off right at the lip there, and hopefully that'll shorten it enough to allow me to put this all together and have enough room in the quad to set it into place. So I'll cut that off and see how things are fitting. So this is what I've got so far. So I'll put the boot on there, and that boot will then go onto the carburetor as well. And then this side with the bolt is the top. So I will get a spade bit and I will drill, I don't know, maybe 3 holes across the top to let air in. And then I'm going to try and mount it. So it's going to sit in there something like that. I have to remove this so I can shove this forward, and then I'll make something to go across from here to here and attach the plastic onto that so it's hanging, and it'll be anchored at the back and anchored on the carb, and that should do it. I notched out the plastic here on the slip so that it would sit here, and I just need to put a couple of clamps on, and hopefully this will sit low enough that it won't interfere with the seat. So the final touches, I used a piece of old ratchet strap, a self-tapping screw, and I drilled a hole to put this hose that vents the bottom end of the motor into the breather like it's supposed to be, and that's that.